Good morning, people of YouTube. It's been a long time since I've done this sort of thing, but I was told I ought to really pick it up again, so I am. So I am at a railway station, as you can tell. I don't like railway stations. And I'm on my way to Hereford, which is near Wales. It's about 6 hours, which is a very long train journey, but there's a very good reason why I'm going out that way, and you'll find out sooner or later. I've got a rather awful cup of coffee. And what is it? It is now nearly 8:30 in the morning. So, see how the journey goes. I never know where to look. Do I look there or there? Well, that was a traumatic journey, but I'm in Hereford, so now I'm just waiting for my pickup, and then let's see where we go. So I made it back to the hotel room. So what you saw then, briefly, was a sneak peek of a project car that I'm working on. I will release another video telling you a little bit more about it. Some of you already know what it is. It's very special. Some of you might recognise where that was. That was Richard Hammond's workshop, the Smallest Cog. There's more to that story, which I'll explain maybe in another video in the future. As for the train journeys, I've got a little bit of a rant to say. I hate train travel. I don't like it. I don't mind trains. Trains are okay. Trains are quite nice. They look cool. Interesting pieces of engineering. There's sort of element of romance to train travel. And it's supposed to be convenient. It's not. It's a load of balderdash, if you ask me. They're inconvenient. They're slow. They're annoying. You're sharing with a load of miserable people that are probably contagious. Sometimes a little bit rude. It's just not a very pleasant experience, and it's bloody expensive nowadays. Seriously, somebody was telling me that they could fly to Wales or to Ireland cheaper than I took the train today. Why? And then the train was delayed due to flooding on the tracks. What is the UK famous for? Rain. What is the one thing we don't have the infrastructure for? Rain. The Swiss can run a train service in the Alps when there's bloody snow on the ground. I don't get it. But yeah, I might make more videos going forwards. Let's see what happens, shall we?